What the hell? Did they close their door on a huge branch? What the hell? What the hell is going on here? Is this still my favorite mall in SoCal? All right, here they do have a Foot Locker. They have a Shoe Palace. They have a Shoe Palace clearance store. Do they still have that? They also do have a JD Sports and a Chic. They have a Champs as well. All right, let's start with this Foot Locker. I'm so curious to see if they have, the Shoe Palace clearance store still. They got these 740s right here. Normally $115. We did see that one at the Foot Locker outlet for way cheaper. I got some thousands right here. Been saying it's hard to go to Foot Locker after going to the clearance store, but yeah, they got other stuff that they don't have at the Shoe Palace outlet right here. Like, this is a decent price. Pretty freaking clean. Do got some shocks right here too. On sale, $100. Okay, $80 off. Yeah, $180 normally. Got the Bugs Bunnies right here. Also got those, as well as these threes. We've been seeing these threes on sale at Shoe Palace, I believe. The mids right here as well. But yeah, pattern I've been seeing kind of chill. The sales have definitely cooled down. Evo SLs right here, $80. That is such a good freaking price. These are normally $150. Such a good everyday training shoe. I need to go running, dude. I haven't ran much at all this year. Actually, I haven't ran at all this year, but yeah, I definitely need to go running. $80 for a few different colorways. A lot of runners say that's one of the best trainers out there, or one of the best everyday trainers. This is the clearance section of the last chance section or whatever. Well, they got grade school for $60 if that's your girl size, or if you got kiddos. Such good deals. I like these TLs. These R4s, definitely way cheap. And they got one of these grade school ones left over right here. Wow. So even though the sales aren't the best, there are deals to be had out there. Of course, sizing definitely going to be an issue, and have to have a lot of luck, to be honest. 70% off section right here. That is what I'm talking about. I just grabbed these for $10. Grabbed these for $10 at the Foot Locker outlet. Let's see what they're talking about here. So yeah, about $20. About $20. A little bit more, but it's still significantly discounted. Not everybody has a Foot Locker outlet near them, so nice to see some deals. Nice to see some steals. But yeah, not bad. A little better than I thought, to be really honest. Pretty decent sized JD Sports. And of course, we're starting with the reduced section right here. And I like that they show you the sizes right here. But yeah, if you can find them at Foot Locker, they're usually pretty decent price there. They have multiple sizes here. That's a good thing. Like, they got a few more right here. Classic leathers. Classic leather for men, not bad. P6000s. You know, some decent sales, but nothing crazy. I think JD's been like a little more mild than most other spots. You got the Biotech lows right here, decent price. But yeah, 70, 90 for forces. I was gonna say mids right here. No, these are lows and they're grade school, dang it. JD always has big stores and they're usually always pretty packed, even though, I don't know. Their selection's usually pretty good. Their prices not usually the best. These are kind of like Foot Locker, where they got a lot of stuff so people come by. I do got the 8s, mids right there for $80, not bad. We do got the 3s on sale, so hey, good for you guys. That is fire, hell yeah. Yeah, and a ton of, oh, actually that's pretty decent price, 740. I guess people just ain't buying 740s like that, but yeah, decent sales, 40 off of those 90, 60s, 2002 Rs for 105. This all black one right here, hella clean. I guess it's black and gray. Still like these 1000s right here, $60. I guess that's a pretty solid price. I don't think those 1000s are moving very good. All right, this is the moment of truth. This is when I find out if the Shoe Palace clearance store is still open, and it is. Oh, hell yeah, I'm so freaking happy. Originally, I was told that it was temporary and it's supposed to be here till the end of December, but they're still here. They're still here in January. You do get 25% off the entire effing store, no exceptions. They did take over the Forever 21. They have quite a big space. And it is a clearance store, so it all just depends on what they got a lot of. Sometimes we see retros. We'll get rid of clothing for hella cheap. Look at this, 10 bucks, then 25 off on top, remember? They have a little bit of everything. Nike, Adidas, New Balance. They even have On Running and stuff like that. They got a men's section right here, as well as a women's section, as well as a kids section on the far left. Let's switch things up, go to the apparel section. Look right here, $10 for a lot of the Shoe Palace exclusive stuff. By $10, I mean $7.50. If you like a lot of the Shoe Palace exclusive merch, freaking come here, dude, because look at this. Tons of stuff for $7.50. King of Pop. Oh, it's like a Michael Jackson? I didn't know they had that. They got a lot of their t-shirts and stuff, the Godfather t-shirts and stuff like that. It's hella cheap, hella cheap. Make sure you guys stop by. They do have brand name stuff here as well. Got Nike. What's this, like a windbreaker? 100 bucks. Got Von Dutch right here. I didn't know they're still alive. 30. And you get that discount. They got sweats, Nike sweats right here, 65. Some of these aren't marked properly. You can have them scan it for you, like this right here. Look at this, $40, and then another 25 off, so 30 bucks. Normally what, 70? Once in a while you can find tech fleece right here. I would have them scan that to see if it is on sale. 115, I guess you get 25 off. Good size too, it is a large. See if any of these are marked any lower, because it's a black one too. The black one can match with everything. I got one more right here. Yeah, it's just marked 115. But yeah, you can have them scan it just in case. Got a Tech Pack pants right here. This one was marked 180, so maybe it is discounted, and then I don't know. Maybe they changed the back, changed it higher. I don't know. Back to the men's sneaker section right here. And they do have a lot of Adidas. Nothing crazy though. 120 for these dames right here. 60 for these dames. Dame 10s for 60 effing dollars. And they got plenty of sizes on those. What? That's 45. I don't know. Are they good for hoops? That's kind of a crazy price. AE1s, $80. So that drops that down to 60. They got some Hardens over here. Curious about the price. 160, 110 for that one. Number 25 off. And they got like the superstars and that type of stuff. Like these superstars are going for $70. So prices definitely better than any other Shoe Palace out there and most other retail shops. And I think they're gonna start getting big shipments, just like the Foot Locker outlet. Hopefully you guys saw that separate vlog. Yeah, these, I think a lot of these are going for 70. Yeah, a lot of superstars going for $70. Is that another one of the Mafate Speeds? Yeah, 120 and then 25 off on top. They got Clifton 9s, 100 bucks for those. That's actually the cheapest you'll ever see. That's $75 after the savings. Some of y'all are big soccer fans. They got soccer jerseys here, 25 off of already discounted prices. My bad if I don't know all the teams, but they got an FC Madrid or Madrid FC, $70. Another 25 off. I see larges. I see a lot of them. So it looks like they're gonna have hopefully a few other sizes. Or are they just all larges? I saw a bunch large and XL. They got this. I don't know who the hell this team is. I don't know. But some of y'all know. 70 bucks for these. They got another. Oh, they got more back here as well. They got smalls and stuff. Okay. They got Juventus right here. And it looks like they got a lot of sizing in these. Manchester United, $70. Let me see if they have more. I see mediums. I see smalls. See a couple double XLs in the back. Is that LeBron's team? Is that LeBron's team? I don't know. I don't know soccer, guys. My bad, dude. Some of you guys are gonna be all offended. I don't know, dude. I don't know. 70 bucks for those. I don't know. Is that Liverpool? Yeah, dude. Oh, Manchester United. My bad. Manchester United, Juventus. Yeah, they got a bunch of jerseys here, you guys. And then is this Messi? Yeah, Messi jerseys here as well. I don't think these are marked down. So 130 to get that extra discount though. Got a couple pair of Vans right here as well. They got a little bit of stuff for everybody. Messi superstars, multiple colorways. Looks like they got plenty of sizes as well. But yeah, they got all the Messi shoes. I feel like these are the FC, what the hell are these called? The F50s right here. And yeah, that's the soccer lineup here at Shoe Palace Gun Store. They got the women's section over here where we see some dunks. What the dunks go for? Oh man, I didn't even want to say the price out loud. 120. Damn, dude. 70 for these. That's a solid price, especially with that extra discount. Yeah, these are going for 70 as well. All the smaller sizes got sold out. Damn, dude. Damn. Got Vomero right here, 170. 86,000 go for 80. 150 for the Pegasus premiums. They always have a few sizes of these. They have a size, what, 9.5 women, size 7 right here. They got Adidas right here for the women. They got some Sauconys right here, Trainer 80s. Not really familiar with these, but they got them. I've never even seen Solomon's at the store. Do they have Solomon's at Shoe Palace? Well, I guess they have to, right? Probably missed them. Do got a few Jordans, 100 for the lows, 100 for the lows, 80 for the mids, and then these SE right here, 120. Then they have all kinds of stuff for the kiddos as well. I think we're gonna move on to the next store. Got some suede forces right here. Discounts on forces, always a good thing, dude. That's what's up. Got this Champs right here. And like most other stores, they're looking kind of bare, The last chance / sale section usually packed. Jordan section right here. They got plenty of 8s, 3s, 5s. A couple of 3s actually. Oh, I just realized. Is this the first place? This is the first place we've seen these. So these have been selling out. These have been selling out. They got multiple sizes because they got one right there as well. Jordan 1, Chicago's. Man, they have been selling out, huh? Chicago. The Jordan 1 low OGs, man, they're 145. Have to get really lucky because I don't think they're gonna go on sale at the retail shops. Have to get a return or something at the outlets. What's going on right here? Do you got Champs sports gear, CSG branded stuff? The CSG, I'm telling you, CSG stuff is good. 70% off. T-shirts. Also got, I want to say they're cargo shorts, but no belt loops. I don't know. I feel like cargo shorts like should have belt loops. These sweats right here, solid freaking sweats, 70% off the retail price. I'm trying to find the retail price for you guys. So $15 for these sweats. Pretty legit sweats. But yeah, all Champs sports gear stuff, 70 off. Got some sales here in the women's section. These are the handball especials. $30 for these bad boys, not bad. Normally 110. And stuff like this, look at this. This is interesting. You know, plenty of chicks would love these OG Sambas that have been bedazzled. And you don't have to worry about all the stuff coming off because you did it yourself. $130 for those. I feel like I haven't seen those anywhere else. Kind of interesting. Got these on sale. And also got these. Look at this. Pegasus premiums right here. Colorway I've never seen. Pretty freaking dope. Yeah, those are $220 though. A little pricey. Been talking to people. I lost track. I think got 2 stores left. They got quite a few releases here. They still got the fire red 5s right here. That is the black tongue. It's got the 8s, the 1s, rookie of the year. Jordan 1 lows right here. I think did I get these? I don't remember. I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember half the stuff I got last year. They got plenty of releases. I think they have more than everybody else here. And they even got these right here. Size 13, last one probably. They got a couple more right, holy crap. Then they got the Ocho Cinco specials. Ocho Cincos with the gammas right there. Damn, I should have brought my sunglasses. This is bright as hell, god damn. Got all their Air Forces. Got Hokas right here. I see a lot of sale signs. Hokas, New Balances. Got their On Running. They got the Mafate Speeds right here. We saw these at the clearance store next door. 120 and 100 for those. I got the Clifton 10s right here. 120. This is their newest one. So not bad, not bad. There's speed coats right here. I think these have carbon fiber in it. So $100 for these. Not bad for a carbon fiber shoe. I think these are their racing shoes. They're trail racing shoes, I believe so. This one's going for $70. Really? Holy crap. They're pretty stiff. I did take the tree out right there. They're pretty stiff. But $70 for, I think these are trail racing shoes. That's The cheapest I've ever seen. Holy cow. Size 8 on display. If you're a runner, that's what's up. They got some all white Clifton, or the Bondi 9s, right? My bad. Bondi 9s 120. And they got colorways I haven't seen anywhere. Speedgoat 2s right here. Oh, those are Speedgoat 1s. Speedgoats 2 right here, 160. And they got different colorways of all kinds of stuff. Speedgoat 2s right here. Oh, these are 70. Oh, it's the same one. So yeah, these are Speedgoat 2s. Oh, dang. Yeah. Then they even have some Sauconys right here. Saucony Pro Grid Omnis. I don't really know much about these, but yeah, they're the Omni 9s. This one's 50 bucks right here. Damn, dude, 50 bucks. Oh, these are some rides. This was like the premier running shoe from a while back, right? The Ride Millenniums. Last store here, dude, got a Chic. The current deal, I believe, buy one pair of shoes, get apparel for 50 off. I don't know if that's just sale apparel or all apparel. I still got these. It's crazy because fools are paying resale for these when they first came out, and then Nike released more and more. 150 for the Voodoo 2s. Got the Jordan 1 Voodoo, like 2.0s or second version. I don't know. Got the Kobe's right here. Are these the Chinese New Year's or something? I don't know, but the Kobe 9s right here. Dude got them 190. Got Air Maxes on sale. Got the Air Max DN 8s right here. That's actually not bad. Kind of looks kind of cool. Grade school section right here. They got the Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts right there on sale. They got those bad boys right there as well. I hope you guys bought stuff when they had that 25% off. They had the 25% off, I think, from April all the way to December. They stopped it the week before Christmas. I hope you guys bought stuff then, because stuff was so much cheaper. Not bad though, still not bad prices. I still think their sales are more aggressive than most of the spots, but we're gonna head out though. We're gonna head out because I need to go home, dude. It's freaking late. All right, I may have stopped by Hot Topic. $7 t-shirts. I wanted to check it out. Bought all kinds of random stuff. Buy one get 3 free. They had a sale. Buy one get 3 free. Just in case you guys have kiddos. Look, this is a Hello Kitty cup. This was normally $40, marked down to $25. I think that's the one thing that they did charge me for. Then these were the free items right here. Some socks, 5 Nights at Freddy. I don't really know the characters, but I don't know. I was just getting stuff for free anyway. So I was like, let me just grab this. This is normally $21. And then a water bottle holder. This is normally $30. So I got all this for 27 bucks? That was kind of crazy. Figured it'll be a present for somebody. I don't know. Might come in handy. At the food court, went to the restaurant. Look at that. $7 and then 12 bucks with beef. That's not bad for a bunch of udon. That's not bad. Well, I don't know if it's a bunch, but for order of udon, not bad. We haven't looked at food courts in a while. Got Korean fusion, like Korean and Japanese, because Donkatsu, Korean fusion. They got a hot dog on a stick. Chicken now. They got burgers. They got chicken sandwiches. They got a Charlie's Philly cheese panda. Got a boba spot sensei. Is that how you say it? Sensei. Got noodle place, Mediterranean, Sabaro. And then the Great Khans. A lot of Asian spots, huh? I'm not super bougie. I'd give that an 8. They got some good variety here. Pretty decent prices, especially for those noodles.